Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're finding yourself unable to click or select anything on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to right click on a taskbar. So dito sa taskbar, kailangan mo lang mag right click. And then, select mo lang dito yung Task Manager. So, click mo lang yan. And then, dito sa Task Manager, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate yung Windows Explorer. Or, pwede mong i-type dito sa taas. So, Windows Explorer. Ito siya. So, since nandito na yung Windows Explorer, so, ang gagawin natin, so, select mo lang siya. And then, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then, select ko lang dito yung restart. So, click ko lang to restart. And then, wait natin. Right? So, once na restart mo na siya, so, close lang natin. And then, dito lang sa start menu. And then, kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Click mo lang tong restart. Okay? So, in another solution na pwede natin gawin. So, dito lang sa search menu, click mo lang yan. And then, type mo lang dito yung device manager. And then, click mo lang dito yung open. So, dito sa Device Manager, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung mice and other pointing device. Ito siya. So, i-click mo lang itong arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-update itong kanyang drivers. So, HID compliant mouse. So, ang gagawin natin dito, i-select mo lang siya and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung update driver. And then pop up tong dalawang options na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer. So, select ka lang dito sa dalawa. And then, select lang natin tong search automatically and then tap lang natin yan. And then, automatic mga kaibigan na the best drivers for your device are already installed. So, ang next step, so close lang natin. At dito lang si start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Click mo lang ito. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix mouse can't click problem in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.